If you're spending £100 a day on Meta and don't know how to structure your account properly, then watch this. So when people are running ads at this sort of budget, they normally make one of two mistakes. The first one being they run way too many campaigns and spread their budget way too thin. The second mistake is recklessly dumping ads into their account with no real reason or strategy behind it. They just make a campaign, make an ad set and chuck everything in at the same time and just hope something sticks. But these are both very bad. So don't do this. Instead, what you should do is separate your campaign by product. So you're splitting that at the product level. You could also split it by location if you're running ads in multiple different places, since the audiences could be different. But for now, we're going to go with separating by product. One, CBO campaign. So you're letting Meta optimize the budget itself. You're not manually doing it at the ad set level. Then we're going to move on to the ad set. So ad set 1, ad set 2, and ad set 3. So these three ad sets are going to be split by persona. So each ad set is going to represent a different persona. For example, if you were selling a supplement like a creatine product, you could separate it by men who are looking to build more strength in the gym, look more muscular, looking for the physical benefits. And then ad set 2 could be women that are getting older and are looking for the cognitive benefits of creatine. So you make an ad specifically for these different people, which is why you separate it at the ad set level, because that's where the targeting is done. And then from the ad set level, you're going to come down into the ad level where you're going to have 3 to 5 ads per ad set. Within each of them, you're going to test different angles, different formats, and find out what works for that audience that you're trying to target, which you decided at the ad set level. You don't need a lot of campaigns when you're spending at around £100 a day to make sure your ads are getting enough spend to actually learn, and then you can scale the account rather than being spread way too thin and not actually taking anything away from it.